Chidananda Shivoham Shivoham Chidananda Rupam Shivam Tvam Shivam Tam Chidananda Rupam Shivam Tvam Shivam Tam. All universe is the bliss and blessed joy of the infinity. Anantam Akasham Anantam Prakasham Anantam Vishwam Anantam Anandam. Infinity, this power is of a spiritual transformation. Infinity is infinite energy, infinite life energy which comes from the divine. Energy of infinite space, infinite God space, Anantakasham, infinite universal sky, self, soul, spiritual power of the spirit. Within you is the power, infinite power. It is not the power of the ordinary life. It transcends this because being spiritual, it is of higher order than either physical or mental. This power lies within you if you are not evolved and unfolded to the divine life power. Thought is a spiritual power. Where your thought goes, there energy flows. Connect yourself with this infinite powerhouse of the universe. And entirely from divine inflow, infinity is the greatest possibility. Your thought, Om Namah Shivaya. Om. Omnipresent magic is this infinite power. Infinity sound of infinite universe enters into the inner knowledge. Infinity finds yourself in the infinite power. This power is the God's power, is giving only divine power. It is revealed within you if you go beyond I, me and mine. And human being realizes this oneness with his divine source and his personal source. Masters has known all the secrets in the past were kept and given to divine disciples. The faith has unlimited and unevolved power of a creation. While this infinity is about reality, one with the infinite. We have to be one with the infinite. From our separation, experience of mental blindness to universal third eye opening and seeing the spirit and we are one. The divine and our soul is an integral part. We live, move with the infinity of a God, and God's spirits dwell in us. We are intimate relationship with the divine. The within us is the infinite power. Our thought and belief of being oneness with the divine existence is given by the shivadhyanyoga, which is Himalayan yoga that in a one moment you transform, transcend and enlighten and be a privileged power of the divine. The life energy is the divine source infinite. If you open the channel of your third eye to see beyond, inside and beyond in the infinite sky, you can feel, you can use that infinite power of the spirit, our spiritual, omnipresent, universal life. Our infinite power takes us to infinity, into divine inflow, and we become a spiritual source. Anandam Paramanandam Paramanandam Om. The sensitivity and sensibility to be one with the divine infinity, we become a spiritual being. Spiritual being of soul, mind and emotion that takes you to infinite life of infinite power. Whole nature works with you. Om Namah Shivaya. The secret of universe is in the infinity. When we become from our limited self to the infinite God power, if we connect with the sky, self and infinity, true object of life is beyond happiness. If you are knowing the life purpose, your vision, mission and goal, then life will be whispering to you with the infinite energy. Your true object of life is knowing yourself, attain happiness without seeking for it, but living in the present, learning new discipline, new faith, new knowledge, and pray to God in the infinite pleasant idea of future from future. Om Namah Shivaya. Chidananda Rupam Shivam Tvam Shivam Tam Chidananda Rupam Shivam Tvam